All right, so what we have, or what I have, is the turtles scattering off the screen, and then the late bloomer, Turdy, is going to appear. And from here, I could press the W key, the D key, the A key, and the S key, right? And I can control Turdy. And so what I want to do actually before I can control him is I want to have text that prints out what Turdy is thinking. And so what I want him to say is something along the lines of, "Mommy, Daddy, where are you?" Right? Something like that. And so just be a message that just kind of states that he's lost and he needs to find some food. All right. And so how can we do that? Well, there's different ways you could do it. We could use this exact same turtle to write. And maybe we could try that. Let's see if that works, okay? So let's come on to the global Turdy. And we are going to use him to write. Let's see if that's going to work. Dot write. And I have a write in my Rochambeau graphical. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that right here. Come back. I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to use my Turdy. Yeah. So let's see. Mommy? Daddy? Alright. And let's see if that actually works. Okay, so that works, but it looks a little weird. Like I want my writing to be up here, like in the center top of the screen. I don't want the text to be as big, and I want it to say more than just mommy, daddy, right? So maybe that could be a challenge exercise here where you can create a turtle, and let's have this turtle be specifically for writing text. All right, so maybe we can call this turtle text, and we can use him to write that onto the screen. So let's go to the top of our program here at the top of main, and let's go ahead and create a turtle called text is equal to turtle. And text, of course, does need a color. The first color is the pen color, which I'm going to make white, and the second color is the fill color, so I don't need a fill color. Yeah, that looks good. So I made my turtle, and now here at the bottom, what I'm going to do is I am going to use text. But I do need to say text.goto, right, to go to the right location. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it up to the, so I'm going to use the center of the screen on the X, and I'm going to move it to the top portion. So let's do maybe 200 on the Y. And let's see if this works. Oh, and I don't want to make it so big, so maybe I can make it 30. And let's run that and see if it works. Alright, so Turdy appears on the screen. It says mommy, daddy. I also wanted to say something along the lines of brother, sister, maybe, right? Anyone? And then maybe on the anyone, it could be anyone ... And then below that, it could say something like, I better find some food. I'm getting hungry. Okay? And then from there, we go ahead and control the turtle and move him where we want. And now the player who's playing your game knows what the mission is. It's to find some food. Right? You might want to even put in a message here saying, oh no, it looks like there's a lot of scary creatures out there. Right? So I better be careful. And so that kind of gives a hint to the user like, oh no, you better not go and get eaten by an animal. Because like I said, if he moves to the north, we're going to have him eaten by a shark. If he moves to the left, then we're going to have him swept off by a ocean current. And down in the south, maybe we can have him I don't know. Let's see what should happen there. Maybe some seagulls come and eat him, right? So yeah, so we want to go ahead and put a message here. And let's have it all in the same screen. So it's like printed here, printed here, printed here, and printed here. Okay. We probably want to hide this turtle and also get rid of this line here. So maybe I can come here to the text and I can say text.penup. And I can also do a text.hide turtle. Right. And so if I do that, then it'll get rid of all of those issues. And another thing that you can do is you can make it not print everything at once, right? You can make it print just the first line first, and then after a second, you can make it print the second line, and then after a second, make it print the next line, right? And how would we do that? Well, you would do a time.sleep. Remember that? And we could wait 1 second before. Oh, we need to go to as well, right? Before go toing. And also writing again, right? Something like brother, sister. Okay. And of course, when we go to, we want to go to a lower location. Right? And remember, if we want to use time.sleep, we need to import it at the top. So let me go ahead and run that and just show you how that works. Ooh, import. Time. Run that. Waits 1 second, then prints out, right? If you want to make it wait 2 seconds, you can. If you want to make it wait 3 seconds, you can. But let's go ahead and continue the message at the top of the screen.